All who have eyes and can see say Jamaica nice must act wise. All who have eyes and can see say Jamaica nice must act wise to protect our paradise. The beautification of our land is threatened by the actions of man. Our vehicles are a cause for methane and carbon dioxide emissions. When we burn garbage, that's another one. All these lend to climate change impact. The harmful actions to the earth we need to stop. Climate change threatens everywhere. Hurricanes, floods, and droughts seem to come with greater and greater scare. And yet, some of us show no care in how we relate in our environment and to the atmosphere. I want to big up Jabem. Uno can't take away we beat them. It cannot just be about the big spend. And all we hear is, it's for tourism. We can't be an island and the people can only access land. That no seem wrong. You understand? No. Isn't it time we ratify the Escazú agreement? What's holding up the consent when the government says we care about the environment? But in the meantime, to protect our paradise, there are things to do. Every one of us, me and you. Stop burning your waste. Don't just throw them into our gullies, put plastics in their place. How about using the sun to dry your clothes instead of a machine dryer load? And going hybrid or full electric for our cars on the road? What about taking the solar loans to restructure the energy of our homes? Use LED bulbs instead of the incandescent woes. Y'all stop overfishing and don't destroy the mangroves. So, all who have eyes and can see say Jamaica nice must act wise to protect we paradise. So all who have eyes and can see say Jamaica nice must act wise to protect we paradise.